Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video, as part of the video series here on the Momentum Finance channel, we want to take a close look at our dividend incomes that we've earned. In fact, we're going to release how we've earned the highest dividend income in a month so far this year. What is that amount and how we've done that? Before we get into the video though, I want to share with you a new feature that Wealthsimple Trade has offered. And in fact, this is for those of you who do not currently have an account with Wealthsimple Trade brokerage. And if you're interested, you could take advantage of this feature using the referral code that I will share. You get to actually benefit from the cash value of up to 2 stocks. This could be anything up to the value of $4,500 Canadian, and based on that, if you open an account, a new account with Wealthsimple Trade using the referral code, you would get the equivalent value of 2 stocks at the closing day. So let me walk you through the specific details. What Wealthsimple is essentially offering, if you use the referral link, they would provide you the cash equivalent value for 2 stocks, and in return, I would also get the cash equivalent for 1 stock. It will be based on a random draw, so the value and the specific stocks that is picked and assigned to you could be really different, but it could be some expensive stocks, such as the stock for Tesla, Shopify, or even perhaps even Air Canada. But the range is quite different. The average value of the stocks that you could get would be $15 on average, but it could be as high as $4,500 or as low as $5 worth of stocks. And you are going to get 2. But if you reside in Quebec, there is going to be a different approach. You will not be entered into a randomized draw, and instead you will receive a fixed stock equivalent worth no less than $20. That's the different approach that we have for residents of Quebec. For everyone else, you'll be entered into a randomized draw and take advantage of potentially a stock value up to $4,500, which is pretty sweet. I've been using Wealthsimple Trade for over almost 2 years now, and it is a kind of a platform that allows you to buy and sell exchange traded funds, stocks, and public offered equities at no commission for Canadian dollars, equities or stocks. But for the US dollars, you would be paying a 0.5% transaction kind of fee, conversion fee there. That's something for you to consider. I will leave a link to our video series here, a playlist that we have here on a weekly coverage of our stock portfolio. You can be sure to check it out and see what are some of the pros of this tool and why I've been using this for my stock investments and stock trading use. Anyway, with that out of the way, let us proceed to take a close look at our dividend income in the past months. What have been our dividend income and why it has been our highest dividend income so far this year. As you notice here in 2021, this is our dividend income. We've listed all our dividend income from different brokerage accounts that I have. The Wealthsimple Trade is the one that I was talking to you about. In the months of June, we earned $34.42 in dividend income, which is quite impressive. We also earned $79.56 from our passive investing robo-advisor tool, which is Wealthsimple Invest. That is another platform and tool that Wealthsimple offers, allowing you to invest passively through high quality exchange traded funds. And for that, we earned close to $80, which is actually the highest dividend income per month as well so far in 2021. And we earned $9.70 from Questrade, another investing portfolio account that we have here. This brought our total monthly dividend income in the month of June to $123.68, which is the highest we've had so far this year per month. Again, that being said though, if you compare this amount to that of the last year in June 2020, we earned much higher dividend income. In fact, that year we earned that month we earned $385. So that shows a 68% decline year over year if you compare that. This is for a number of reasons, mainly due to the fact that we withdrew a big chunk of our investments and used that for a house down payment. But on top of that, it's also the fact that we've kind of transferred some of our funds into more of a growth stocks. As a result of that, the amount of dividend income has declined year over year. But we are gradually getting back to adding more funds to our accounts, buying more into dividend stocks. And for those of you who are following our portfolio account, you're going to see that how we are adding to our existing positions, and we anticipate that over time we're going to gradually get back to increasing our dividend income. Right now, if you look at our overall dividend income on an annual basis, in 2019 we earned a total of $1,090 in dividend income. In 2020 we earned $1,300 plus in dividend income, and in 2021 so far this year we've earned closer to $400 in dividend income. I definitely anticipate this number to grow, hoping that we can manage to double this amount, but we'll have to wait and see how our dividend income pans out. We also have this visual graph here that allows you to see how our dividend income has changed over the years. You notice here the blue bar is showing 2019, the orange one is showing 2020, and the yellow one is indicating 2021. You notice obviously for the most part 2021 has had the lowest amounts because, as I mentioned, with the withdrawal of their funds as well as transition to some of the growth stocks, but we are gradually recovering and hoping to increase this amount. The June of 2020 was in fact the highest all-time dividend income amount that we had in a month, but December of 2019 was actually one of our second highest month, whereby we earned a dividend of $306. We'll see how this number is going to change for this year and how the rest of the year would pan out for us. Before I end this video, I wanted to ask you for a favor. Here on Momentum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing and financial freedom. And so please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and latest stock investment tips and tricks, as well as our best practices and our journey in investing in the stock market to reach financial freedom. We'd love to have you on board. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found this beneficial. Don't forget to take advantage of the Wealthsimple Trade offer as well if you do not currently have an account with Wealthsimple Trade. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time.